the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 7 MS PowerPoint part 2. In this video we are going to do a practical using Microsoft PowerPoint. We will learn starting PowerPoint, creating a new presentation, adding text into a placeholder, about built-in templates, using themes, etc. So let's start with the practical session. First we will learn starting PowerPoint. PowerPoint can be started in the following ways: by double clicking the mouse on Microsoft PowerPoint icon displayed on the desktop. Children, this is the icon of PowerPoint. Double click on this icon. The PowerPoint window will be appear on the screen. The next method is click on start button. This is the start button. Select Microsoft Office. This is the Microsoft Office. Now select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. It shows you a blank presentation. Now let us know, children, how to create a new presentation. First click the File tab and then click New option. This is the File tab, children. Click on this File tab. From here select New option. Click on this New option. Now click on Blank Presentation. This is the blank presentation. Click on this blank presentation and then click on Create option. A new presentation with a blank slide will open in the PowerPoint window. Now adding text into a placeholder. Let us see how to add a text into the placeholder. The dotted border represents the placeholder that contains the title text for the slide. This is the placeholder. Now to add text to a placeholder on a slide, do the following. Click inside the placeholder. Click inside the placeholder first and then type or paste text. I will type computer. Here I will type software. Then I will type hardware. In this way, children, you can add text to a placeholder. Now to change the line spacing, do one of the following. Drag to select one or more lines of text for which you want to change the spacing. Drag and select one or more lines of text. After that, go on Home tab. This is the Home tab, children. In the paragraph group, children, this is the paragraph group. Click the dialog box launcher. A paragraph dialog box will be appear on the screen. On the Indents and Spacing tab, make any changes that you want. This is the Indent and Spacing tab. If you want to change the alignment, you can change the alignment of the text from here. I will do right alignment. From here I can change the line spacing and then click OK button. You can see the change, children. The text is aligned at right. If you want to align it left, I will select left alignment. If you want center, I will select this center alignment from paragraph group. In this way, children, you can add text to a placeholder and you can change the alignment of the text also. Now we will see built-in templates. First we will see, children, what is built-in template. Templates can contain layout, theme colors, theme fonts, theme effects, background styles, etc. You can find many different types of free templates built in to PowerPoint that you can apply to your presentation. To apply a template, children, do the following. Click on the File tab. Go on File tab. Click on File tab. Select a new option. I will select this new option. Under Available Templates and Themes, select Sample Templates. This is the sample templates. From here select any one template of your choice. I will select Project Status Report and click on Create option. This is the Create option. When you click on Create button, after selecting it, the template opens as a new presentation. Here the new presentation contains 11 slides of different layout. You can see here, children, there are total 11 slides of different layouts and different backgrounds and themes. Now you can add text in the placeholder of each slide and view the slideshow of your work. This is the placeholder, children. Now you can add text in this placeholder. I will type now presentation. In this way children, you can use built-in templates in your presentation. Now let us know about the themes. What is theme? A theme is a quick and easy way to give a professional and modern look to your presentation. To apply themes to your presentation, do the following steps. First, click on Design tab. This is the Design tab children. Click on the Design tab. Under Themes group, this is the Themes group. Select the theme of your choice. Click on More drop down arrow. Now select the theme of your choice. Select the desired theme and see the changes on the slide. You can see the changes on your slide. In this way children, we can use themes in PowerPoint. I hope children, all of you understand starting a PowerPoint, creating a new presentation, adding text into a placeholder. With this we comes to the end of the topic. Bye bye.